Hello, is everybody there?
So,
Not much. Just a ton of homework and group work.
it's ridiculous.
Yep,
Never ending for sure. I don't
definitely.
know if everyone else is here, but I already did it all, so I have all the answers. I don't know.
Okay, so you're on, that's for lesson 4?
Yeah, lesson 4 group meeting quiz.
Okay, let's see, is anyone else? Okay. Start.
But all of it's just like probability stuff, so
Okay, so 1 and 2 are true.
yeah.
Okay, so number 3, or the blood types, proportions given in the table. True. Is it true?
Yeah, that one's true.
Okay, so I'm really bad at probability, and so how do you do probability?
So basically, it just has to equal 1. So if you look at like question 4, where it says, what is the probability that a randomly selected person in the US has type O blood?
Mm-hmm.
The answer is already given for you. So if you look at blood type O and then look at proportion, it has 45, which is 45%. So the
Okay.
answer for 4 is just 0.45. Whereas like number 5,
Uh-huh.
asking you to basically give the probability that a person won't have O blood type.
Okay.
So if you add up like the O blood, A blood, B, and then AB blood, it all equals 1.
Right.
So if you're looking for the probability that a person won't have type O blood, then what you want to do is add up A blood, B blood, and AB blood,
Uh-huh.
and keep O blood out of it.
Okay.
So pretty much you're just going to subtract like AB and AB from 0.45.
So I'll go like 1145 minus. Is it? No, that's not right.
So if you do,
Is it 34%?
so if you look at the 45 for O blood,
Uh-huh.
and then all you have to do is add. So if you look at A blood, it's 0.40,
Mm-hmm.
and then B blood is 0.11. So you want to add 0.11,
Uh-huh.
and then AB blood is 0.04. So if you add those together, then it's 0.55, which is the answer for number 5.
Okay.
You add 55 and then 0.45, then it's going to give you 1. So it's always going to equal 1 no matter what.
Okay. So 5 is 55?
So 5 is 55.
Okay. So 6, Carolyn. Okay, how do I do number 6?
So with this one, Carolyn Willis and her colleagues conducted a study in which dogs were trained to detect bladder cancer.
Mm-hmm.
The dogs were trained to lie down next to a specimen derived from a bladder cancer patient. One of the dogs, named Tangle, demonstrates the identification of a specimen. So there's 7 bowls containing urine that are lined up.
Uh-huh.
6 of them do not have bladder cancer, and 1 of them does. So basically, there's 7 bowls altogether, and it's going to equal 1 because the probability always the total probability always equals 1. So I just did 1 divided by 7.
And you got 0.14258.
I rounded it to 0.143.
Okay.
So it's just asking one of the probability of one of the balls having it. So yeah, it'll just be the 0.143. That's the answer.
Okay, so 7. In a combined total of 54 trials, the dog correctly identified the specimen from the cancer patient 22 times. It is very unlikely that the dog would do this well by random chance alone. Which of the following statements is most appropriate? This provides.
So with this, I just put this provides strong evidence.
Okay.
Because the probability is 0.14,
Mm-hmm.
whereas I just divided the 54 and the 22, so
Right.
they detected it about 41% of the time.
Okay.
It's a lot more than by random chance.
Right. Okay, so M&M's website previously indicated the United States, the distribution of colors in a bag. Okay, if you reach into a bag of plain M&M's, what is the probability of drawing a red-colored candy?
So this is another one that just kind of gives it to you.
So I just add them all together, right?
Yeah, well, if you add them all, it'll be 1, but
Mm-hmm.
the probability of a red, it'll just be that 0.13.
Okay.
So the probability of brown is 1-3, yellow 1-4, red 1-3, blue 2-4, orange 20.
Mm-hmm.
And then green is the only one that we're not given. So to get green, which is the next answer,
Mm-hmm.
they're going to want to add all of the other ones together
Uh-huh.
and then subtract that from 1.
Okay. So is it 0.28 or 0.27?
I got 0.16. So if you add, when you added brown, yellow, red, blue, orange, did you get 84?
No.
Did it?
I got... So I got... Oh, yeah. I think I forgot a number. So I got 84.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, and then you just basically 1 minus 0.4. And that'll give you the 16.
Okay. 0.16.
Yeah.
And then 10. Oh, wait.
10. Yeah, 10 is not green, so that's basically the 0.84 that we already added.
Right.
So, number 10 is 0.84.
Okay. 11. Half of the observations are less than or equal to what number?
Okay, so with this, it's kind of straightforward. I just put the median, which is 24.
Mm-hmm.
Because the quartile 1 is 25%, quartile 3 is 75%,
Mm-hmm.
and 24 is right in the middle, so that's the answer.
Okay. So based on the information on the table above, the top 25% of the students scored above what score? So the top quartile is 1, right?
Well, technically the 25% quartile is quartile 1,
Mm-hmm.
but because they're asking for the top 25%,
Mm-hmm.
you're going to go with quartile 3. That's the answer.
Okay, 27.
75 to 100. Yeah.
12 is 27, right?
Yeah, 27.
Okay.
And then the last one.
Is it the sum of probability and any probability is 1?
It is actually the third one.
Okay.
If the probability is high, then the probability is positive. If the probability is low, then the probability probability is negative.
Mm-hmm.
Because there's never actually a negative number. It's always going to be equal to 1. So you're going to see it between 0 and 1.
Okay.
Or equaling 1.
Awesome.
So that should be everything. I just did it real quick and submitted it. I got 100%. So it should be everything.
Let's see. Oh, no, I missed one.
What? Which one?
Let me see. Number 5.
0.55?
Oh, I put 55. Let me write down.
Just
Yeah.
retake it and
Yeah. I'll retake it.
Alright. Sounds good. I think that's everything. I don't know, this
Awesome.
lesson's pretty easy, but it gets hard. I took this class last semester.
Yeah.
I don't know. I had a kid with colic, so it's a little hard to focus.
Yeah. Of course. I'm retaking this course as well.
Oh, you are too?
Yeah.
Oh, we're in it together. Alright, well, this one is good.
All right.
Me?
Sounds good. I will go ahead and post this.
Okay, sounds good.
All right.
Alright, have a good night, man.
Yep. Thanks. See ya.